What's up, everybody? So today we are back in the garage. We are still working on the truck. Last time you guys saw, we managed to get the floor pan completed. It is all sprayed. It is done. It looks good. I mean, we've done like a ton of work to this, and last time you guys saw it, we left it off. It was pretty shiny, and it definitely flashed off and became more of a satin finish, which is kind of what I thought it was going to do. But yeah, I think the floor pan looks really good. Obviously, this is all going to get covered up with carpet, but I'll just give you guys one last look. So now that this is completed, for the task at hand for today is we're going to go ahead and do this back wall. This back wall, and I guess the side pillars too.
Yeah, up here.
They're currently brown.
Pop these out.
Yeah. So no matter what we're doing, whether we do bench seats, bucket seats, there's no actual covers for anything back here. It's all exposed.
All bare, yeah.
So the plan for today is to go ahead and paint it. And we got a color in mind. Actually, we have a color already picked out. It is a black. It is a Ford color. It is called tuxedo black. We had the body parts store mix it up. We mentioned in the last video, this stuff has a lot of flake to it, I guess.
Different colors.
At least I hope. This is like a single stage, just a rattle can. We have two rattle cans.
We'll see how it comes out.
Yeah.
It's either going to look good or
I'm really hoping that it has like a lot of flake in it, because I think that'd be really cool, especially on the back wall. The reason we picked this color is because Luke's current car is daily driver, just the Ford Fusion.
We know
has
it
the
looks
same
good.
paint job. It looks really good. I really like that color a lot. So we thought it looked really good on this back wall here of this truck, just because it is a little bright, flashy, and will pull off with what we want for the interior. So for now, we're gonna go ahead, mask everything off in here, scuff up this back wall, get it all prepped up, and then hopefully go ahead and start painting it in the next few minutes here.
Yeah.
We got a little work to do. There's a lot of like indentations and odd shapes, so we're gonna go ahead and start doing this. Okay, so we just managed to get it all masked off. We got the back wall scuffed up, wax grease removed, so it should be good to go. We're gonna go all the way up to like up here and stuff. I know there's like the headliner stuff that's gonna cover that up, but I just wanna make sure it's covered, because we probably won't have a headliner in here for a little while until we figure out what to do with that. But here it is as brown. So now we can go ahead and start painting. Okay, so we went ahead. We got our 3 coats down of tuxedo black. It looks really good. I'm going to let it set up and cure because it is pretty wet right now. It looks really black right now. Luke and I have been playing with it, trying to like with the light and stuff, and there is like a lot of flake. So once this cures up, we'll bring you guys back and we'll pull off all this plastic tape and everything and give you guys a full overall look of the truck from the interior. I think it's going to look really good.
It looks good now.
I mean, it's going to stay that shiny, hopefully, unlike the floor where it turns satin, but
I don't know how well they can see that, I guess, if at all.
yeah, we'll wait once we get everything peeled off. I
Yeah.
can see the flake anyway. I don't know if they can see it on camera. But yeah, we're going to let this set up and cure for a little while, come back, and then unmask everything.
2 hours later.
So we are back now in the garage. We left for a little bit, let the paint fully cure up, and it looks sick. I'm really happy about this. It basically matched your Fusion tuxedo black. And I don't know if you guys really know what that looks like, so we're going to try to show it to you on camera. But it is very glossy.
Very glossy, very sparkly.
Yeah, I don't know how well. I hope the camera can pick this up. If I get up close here, you can see all the sparkles and stuff in there.
I don't know how well they can see it.
Yeah, I don't know either. And some of this stuff too, like I don't know if you guys can see it underneath the trim.
Oh, up here.
There might be a little bit of brown that pokes through, but there is
Yeah,
a
over
trim
here,
piece that
there's a
goes
little
over
bit.
top of it, so it's going to hide it. So that doesn't matter. Same thing with up here. You're obviously going to have the headliner and stuff that's going to cover
Yeah.
all that. Yeah, whoops, sorry. You can see like the...
Up here, yeah.
Yep. There's a
Yeah,
little bit of
little
brown
bit.
kind of popping through, but like I said, it doesn't matter because the headliner will cover it all up. The only piece that's going to be exposed is obviously like the back wall and then the side pillars there. So yeah, they look...
I'm really happy with the sidewalls, actually.
Yeah, everything looks really good in here. It's super dark. I don't know, like I said, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but
Yeah.
everything is done inside this truck. Next up, what we want to do is go ahead and cavity wax everything, like inside each one of these holes. Luke already has the cavity wax ready to go right there.
Yep.
Got the tube and stuff to spray it in there. But before we do that, we want to let you guys know the B2600 is gone. We ended up, I guess Luke ended up getting rid of it. I was at work for a little while, and then you just
Yeah.
kind of texted me, said you had a guy come look at it, come get it. So that truck is gone. We managed to get a bunch of stuff off that truck that we wanted. Like obviously, like you guys have been watching, we got the hood, the fenders, the doors, the bed, the tailgate, floor pan, and then we also took a few other things like the seat brackets. That truck came with the bench seats.
Yeah, so we got another set.
Yeah, so if you ever decide to do buckets, we have 2 sets of brackets
that we know fit.
and these trucks come with factory holes. Like we already showed you when we were trying to line that one. It has a hole there, has a hole there, and yeah. So if we decide to do buckets, we will be able to mount them up with some brackets. So I'm happy about that. That
Same.
seems like it's kind of a hard thing to get. So yeah, the B2600 is gone. We're just gonna continue on working on the B2000. It's kind of a little bit less of a headache. I mean,
Yeah.
not having that truck just sit around.
And having to go back
Especially
and
it started snowing, so that was interesting.
This was like prime time because it was snowing when I got rid of it.
Yeah, you were sending me pictures of it and stuff, which I'll maybe throw a picture up
Yeah.
here or on the Instagram,
Yeah.
whatever. You guys can check that out. But it was looking like that trailer was pretty
It
snow
was
covered.
covered.
He picked a bad time to come get that
did.
truck,
He was-
but hopefully he can put good use to it.
Yeah, they seemed to know what they were getting,
Yep. So
and pretty actually happy with it.
yeah, they'll be able to do something
Yeah,
with
do
it.
something
Hopefully,
with it. Yeah.
we obviously robbed enough stuff off of it,
Yeah.
so hopefully they can
And
figure out.
They know
something.
we did.
Yes. So for now, let's go ahead, continue on with this, get the cavity wax done, and then we can move on to the next stuff that needs to happen with this truck, like
Interior.
getting the interior completely finished and put back in.
Finally.
So you guys have it. We got the cavity wax in all the cavities, and it's all filled in. It's kind of cool. It's just kind of like seeping around, and then
You can hear it like gassing off too.
yeah, we got it down inside there, all up over there. So we should be good. It should not rust at all. I think everything is sealed in, huh?
About time.
Yeah, so we are good on this. We can finally finish this out. Back wall's done. Everything is in place. So next up will be carpet. And I think we're going to do that for the next video, so stay tuned for that. Probably going to end it out here. We had quite a bit to do today. We got the back wall done and painted. We got rid of the B2600.
Finally. Gone.
Finally. So, yeah. We made a lot of progress on this truck. I'm really happy with it. So, hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.